Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We'll be looking into can you write C# platform specific code in UNO platform apps. So let's jump right into it. I have my Visual Studio open here with a very basic UNO platform app where we have a button which says click me and a text block which displays a text. And what I want to do is that on specific platforms, I want the text block to show a different text. And I want to do it via C# code. So I can switch to the C# code behind of that page. And on the button click, I want to make sure that on Windows, the text says hello from Windows. And on Android, it says hello from Android. So to do this, you can use specific directives that are built into UNO. So here on the docs page for platform-specific C# code, you can find all the conditionals that you can use to kind of specify the platforms that you want to target this one specific portion of the code. So for the purpose of showing something only on Windows, I can use this symbol _UNO. So if I want to show something only on Windows, I can say if not has _UNO, because all the UNO platform targets have this conditional #UNO. So Windows only does not have it. So this way I can say, for example, my text equals hello from Windows. So this way, this specific portion of code will be executed only on Windows. And I can show you that when I select here Windows as the target, that this portion of the code is now highlighted as being compiled. But when I switch to Android, for example, it's now gray, which signifies that this portion of the code will not be compiled when running on Android. So when I run the application on Windows, and click the button, we can see hello from Windows. And when I run the same application now on Android, we should see that the button does nothing because this portion of the code will only run on Windows. So for Android, this method is essentially empty. So let's see. I will open the platform-specific C# sample, click the button, and nothing happens because this method is basically empty. So to just show you that you can do even more with it, I can use even platform-specific code that is not available on other platforms. So for example, if I switch this to if Android and put in some Android-specific code, for example, showing a toast notification, this is very Android-specific code, which would not compile at all on any other platform because it's using Android widgets. But if I run it on Android, it will display a toast when I click the button. So I can prove it to you again by running the application here. And hopefully we will be able to see it in action in the app. So when I click the button, we can see the toast notification showing up here, which proves that we wrote a platform-specific code that runs only on Android. And on the other platforms, again, if I switch to iOS, for example, it's going to be gray because it's not even compiled on that iOS platform. So it's not a problem to use platform-specific code and even use platform-specific native controls in your applications using this approach. So I hope this explained how to use platform-specific C# code in UNO platform apps, and I will see you in the next video.